Hi friends, welcome to this pre-market analysis of Nifty, where on a chart we try to make informed guesses of where buyers and sellers are. Now I am doing this from an airport, so there could be some disturbances in between. Apologies for that. So these are the lines, and suppose that we had done yesterday, and as you can see, this is the day candle of Nifty. It's sort of broke and closed below the 23,000 that we had drawn. It was a decisive close, but in the interim, there are other news-based movements happening in the U.S. market and in commodities, etc. Trump has declared a 5-day respite for the bombing, but anyway, things could change anytime. Now, going over, as usual, let's just delete whatever we had drawn yesterday and start afresh. We'll start with the monthly time frame. On a monthly time frame, I'm not sure of any bias on Nifty. This swing low, that is the area of where the swing low that the buyers had protected for a long time has been breached, and now I do not have any bias. I'd rather wait for Nifty to take a swing high and then fall if it's a bearish bias. This is the only level that's to be watched on this on the monthly time frame. That is the April low, 21,743. If that is breached, then Nifty goes into ultra bearish territory. On the weekly time frame, Nifty has made a lot of fair value gaps, and there's a scope of retracement to all these fair value gaps. These are all liquidity zones, so I would not waste time marking all that, analyzing, because there are too many. Now, on a daily time frame, again, interestingly, the bias is bearish on a weekly time frame. Bias is also bearish on a daily time frame. Why is it bearish? Because it is making lower highs. So sellers are selling at lower levels with a lot of confidence. Now, there's a new fair value gap here. I'll just mark that up. There's a tiny one. Did I mark it right? Yes, I did. So it's a bearish fair value gap, a tiny one here, an interesting one. And is there a swing high in between there? No, there is no swing high in between there. And there are targets that we were drawing. This is one target. This is an outer block, and therefore it becomes a target. Nifty was just shy of this particular target yesterday, and let's see what happens today. On a 4-hour time frame, again, it's bearish because it has been making lower highs. This is a flat bottom. No, it's a flat top, sorry. Flat top. Big sellers on top of this. Also the fair value gap there. On hourly time frame, once again, it is bearish. It's all bearish. So Nifty has been making lower highs. So this is a fair value gap, I think, and this candle stung into the fair value gap and got sold off again. So that is a short one for today, since I'm traveling. Let's see what happens tomorrow. Markets are dancing to the whims of Trump. I hope it gains some sanity in the coming days. Yeah. Once again, I'm not a certified analyst. I do this only for education purpose. Thank you.